Your iPhone isn't just a distraction, it's currently a weapon of mass procrastination, and right now it's winning. You say you don't have time to work on your side hustle, but you just spent 47 minutes watching a YouTube video of people making protein oats. Here's a 1-minute fix that'll force your brain to stop craving your phone and will crave productivity instead. I'm a full-time doctor and part-time entrepreneur. Like many of you watching this video, time is my most valuable resource, and grayscale mode is the most powerful, dumbest productivity hack I've found. When your phone looks like a World War II documentary, your phone just isn't that exciting anymore. Here's how to do it on iPhone in under 30 seconds.
Okay, here we are on settings. You go into settings, you go into accessibility, and then you go to display and text size, and then you scroll down to color filters, which is probably already off. You click on that, and you can see here you can go toggle on. You've got a list of options. Grayscale is at the very top. You want to make sure that's ticked. And then your phone now, you can actually toggle the intensity, but we want to go full 100%. And now your phone is completely boring and in grayscale mode.
Grayscale removes the dopamine triggering colors that apps use to steal your focus and keep you addicted. Grayscale makes your feed flat, boring, and way less addictive. It's like turning your phone into a boring old calculator, or as I like to view it, productivity machine. Pure focus. This is exactly what you want when you don't have a lot of time and you've got a side hustle to build after a long day of work. Try this for just one day. You'll be shocked how little you care about your phone and how much easier it is to get things done. Hope you enjoyed the video. More to come.